USA. Pressure washer perfection.
Hey, it's Mike with Kranzle USA. Pressure washer perfection. Over the weekend, I had the opportunity to clean a pool deck, which hadn't been cleaned in about 5 or 10 years. I used a Kranzle 1122 TST total stop with the turbo nozzle. Now, I could have used a bigger machine with higher gallons per minute and a surface cleaner and so forth, but I didn't want to. I specifically wanted to do the job with the 1122 to put it through its paces. The 1122 is a high-end prosumer light industrial grade machine, and it's a great all-around homeowner unit. So I wanted to show what it would be like for a homeowner to use the machine and how long it might take. This before and after video will show us about a 300-400 square foot deck that hadn't been cleaned in 5 or 10 years, and it took about 3 hours. Like I said, it could have gone faster with a bigger machine, but that wasn't the point. All right, enough of me, let's watch the video quick. Yeah, not bad, huh? As you can see, the turbo nozzle with cold water, no chemicals, just good old pressure washing, did a pretty good job. Before I go, I want to show you the turbo nozzle up close and in action. Take a look at this video. So myself, when I'm pressure washing, I like to be systematic, choose a section, just go back and forth, do it right. And as you can see, the turbo nozzle is taking about 2-3 inches at a time, and it takes about a minute to do 1 square foot. Also, on technique, if you'll notice, the pressure washer left a couple little trails. They're faint, but they're there. So what I like to do is go back over it quickly just to smooth it out and even it out. And now, a final pro tip is, whenever you're done pressure washing, go back over your surface with just water and give it a good one last time rinse down. Otherwise, you leave a little bit of dirty water on there and it dries and it doesn't look as best as it can. So just, when you're all done, take the VarioJet nozzle that comes with the 1122, put it on the fan tip, and just spray the whole thing down, give it one good last rinse. And as you'll see, the before and after, that pool looks almost like we had repainted it, not just pressure washed it. Overall, I'm pretty pleased with how the 1122 TST performed on cleaning a regular, everyday pool deck. If you're looking for a prosumer machine, light industrial, and you want the best of the best, check out the Kranzle 1122 TST. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.
Kranzle USA. Pressure washer perfection.